welcome back. Today we're going to be drawing Stitch from the Lilo and Stitch movie series. Yeah, they had a series and a movie, a few series of movies. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, I'm not gonna lie, this Stitch came out very well. I mean, obviously it's a smaller scale, but I thought it was pretty good. Look, I got even the details for the claws. It was this one, and I got him pulling down his eyes because he was stressed or whatever, or he was upset. I thought it was pretty good. Peace, love, and hot sauce, and as always, thanks for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow.